Can you imagine this? This dam holds more concrete than the Great Pyramid of Giza. 5,000 workers built it in just 5 years, under the brutal Nevada desert heat, where temperatures reached 50 degrees Celsius. But the most incredible part is the cooling system. Engineers placed 935 kilometers of ice-cold water pipes inside the concrete. Without it, the dam would have taken 125 years to cool. And the result? A 221-meter giant, holding back Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. Hoover Dam, the place where human engineering conquered nature.
Hit like if that blew your mind.